Hello everyone, here is a question based on quantum mechanical model of atom. The ratio of the wavelengths of light absorbed by a hydrogen atom when it undergoes n equal to 2 to n equal to 3 and n equal to 4 to n equal to 6 transitions respectively is which one? Normally we calculate the emission spectrum, but here it is mentioned as absorbed by a hydrogen atom, and therefore we have to reverse the equation. The delta E which we normally write is En2 minus En1, that is for emission, is equal to minus RH times 1 by N2 square divided by 1 by N1 square. But because it is mentioned as absorbed by, we have to write it this way: En1 minus En2 is equal to Rydberg constant times 1 by N1 square minus 1 by N2 square, because we are going from here to here, that is absorption. If we are coming from up to down, then that is emission. So let's calculate the difference here, energy difference once again, and then we will calculate the ratio of the wavelengths. So delta E 2 to 3 would be equal to Rydberg constant times 1 by 4, because 2 square, minus 1 by 9. So that is one equation, and therefore this will be equal to 5 by 36, because 9 times 4 36. So what you will get eventually here is 5 by 36, and then in the next case it would be delta E 4 to 6, and that is equal to Rydberg constant times 1 by 16, because 4 square, minus 1 by 36. So 16 times 36, 6 times 6 is 36, so 6, remaining 3, 1 times 6 plus 3, so 9, 3 times 6 18, remaining 1, and then 1 times 3 and then plus 1, so 4, so this will be 6, 9 plus 8 17, so 7, remaining 1, 576. This will be Rydberg constant times 36 minus 16 divided by 576. So that will be equal to 20. So 20 divided by 576. Ratio we can calculate it this way: Hc divided by lambda 2 to 3, and that is equal to Rydberg constant times 5 by 36, and then Hc divided by lambda 4 to 6, and that is equal to Rydberg constant times 20 divided by 576. Therefore the common things we can cancel. So this will be, if we are calculating the ratio, then it will be 1 by lambda 2 to 3 divided by 1 by lambda 4 to 6, isn't it? So therefore we can write it this way: 5 by 36 times 576 divided by 20. So therefore this will be 4 times, and this will be 16 times, and this will become 4. So which means that 1 by lambda 2 to 3 is equal to, when it goes that side, it will be 4 times lambda 4 to 6. So therefore lambda 2 to 3 is equal to 1 by 4 times lambda 4 to 6. So 1 by 4 is the ratio. This means that option 4 is correct.